Hi. Let's learn about lead time. Lead time is the amount of time that passes from the start of a process until its conclusion. Companies review lead time in manufacturing, supply chain management, and project management during pre-processing, processing, and post-processing stages. Production processes and inventory management can affect lead time. For example, building elements of a finished product on-site may take longer than completing some items off-site. Transportation issues can delay delivery of necessary parts, halting or slowing production and reducing output and return on investment. Using locally sourced parts and labor can shorten lead time and speed production. Lead time can be broken into pre-processing, processing, and post-processing time, and the general formula to calculate lead time is, lead time equals pre-processing time plus processing time plus post-processing time. The lead time varies among supply chain sources, which can cause difficulty in predicting when to expect the delivery of items and coordinating production. Working with a supplier who keeps inventory on hand while continuously monitoring a company's usage helps alleviate the issues resulting from unanticipated events. Short lead time is important as it impacts the financial, emotional, and operational aspects of a company and its relationship with its customer. Several examples of the importance of short lead time include shorter lead times helping increase sales, customer satisfaction, and the company's bottom line. Though an entire manufacturing and distribution process may be complex with many stages, companies can take steps to reduce lead time and shorten the number of days for each process. Steps to reduce lead time include focusing on obtaining necessary supplies, improving internal processes, and optimizing delivery and shipping methods. The three primary types of lead time include customer lead time, material lead time, and production lead time. These types are summed to arrive at the fourth type of aggregated lead time. The factors that affect lead time can be broken into three categories: procurement factors, manufacturing factors, and shipping factors. These factors may include issues related to sourcing of raw materials, internal manufacturing processes, and external shipping and delivery methods. An example of lead time involves a large festival and its t-shirt supplier. The lead time in this example would be 5 business days, meaning the festival organizers need to place their order with the supplier at least 5 business days before the opening of the festival. Additional factors can affect lead time in this example, such as specific design requests and stock availability. The main types of lead time are customer lead time, material lead time, factory or production lead time, and cumulative lead time. These types flow into each other to set overall expectations of a manufacturing process. The main factors that make up lead time include pre-processing, processing, waiting, storage, transportation, and inspection. These factors are often compiled into the 3 main stages of an order: the before, the during, processing, and the after, shipping. Lead time in shipping is the period of time between when an order is first received and when it reaches the customer. It includes the processing of the order and then the time spent delivering a package. Companies with shorter lead time may have less finished inventory on hand, more efficient processes, and generally happier customers. Factors that can impact lead time include lack of raw materials, breakdown of transportation, labor shortages, and human errors. Here are 5 key takeaways. 1. Lead time measures how long it takes to complete a process from beginning to end. 2. In manufacturing, lead time often represents the time it takes to create a product and deliver it to a consumer. 3. Lead time is calculated by adding any combination of the number of days to procure materials, manufacture goods, and deliver finished products. 4. Factors that can impact lead time include lack of raw materials, breakdown of transportation, labor shortages, natural disasters, and human errors. 5. In some cases, companies can improve lead times by implementing automated stock replenishment and just-in-time (JIT) strategies. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.